Hey, I'm Kathy Ellen. I'm the creator of Kind Heart Comics, and you must be here because you just printed one out and you want to figure out how to turn it into the little zine. All you need is a pair of scissors, friend. Welcome to my messy kitchen. We've got it right here. What I like to do is flip it over, and the first fold we're gonna do is right down the middle here. We're basically gonna fold this into 8 little sections. You can use a bone folder or you can just use the side of your thumb, whatever's clever. All right, we've got that fold. Next, I'm gonna do the one that goes into the middle. You can really do these in any order that you like, but I'm just doing them this way. Nice little fold there. And this one right into the middle. Okay. Don't be alarmed if you have this one. You're like, what? The arrows do go across the middle there. So we've got 4 folds that way, and we need to do one this way so we can have 8 separate little sections. Okay, this one I like to be real careful with. Come on, little buddy. And it lines up as good as I can get it. So here we go. That's a little off at the end there, but that's okay. We're not trying to be perfect. So now we have all 8 folds. Next, we're gonna fold it up like a book again. We're folding it like a book. This is when we get our scissors out. You know you're doing it right when you're cutting along the fold. So here's the fold. Right here, right? Fold, and we're gonna cut right along this part right here. So just from the fold to the section where this little section ends, if that makes sense. Here's the cut right here. This is what we have. Our piece of paper with this little mouth in the middle. I'll do it this way so you can see everything, although it's awkward for me. See what I'm doing for you? Helping you. You're gonna grab the top here with the mouth in the middle, and you're gonna turn it this way so it stands up. So you've got it like this, okay? I'm moving my hands closer and closer in so that space is much, much smaller, and then I'm gonna turn it. So I have 4. And I'm pushing down right in the middle, and then I'm gonna keep turning the pages and pushing down. This is the front and back. Turn that page and push it down. Push, push, push. Here's what it looks like when it's finished. This is one of my ones that I did. You can see it doesn't match up exactly. There's a little bit of an edge here and here. This one might have been a little funky of a fold. There's a little edge here that's hanging off. That is totally fine. Literally doesn't matter. Doesn't change the content of any of this. If you wanted to, you could cut it, but why waste time? Just print out more zines and fold and cut them. Thank you so much for spreading around Kind Heart Comics. I've got another video and I'll put the card up here. You can click on to make your own blank ones so you can make your own comics. Thanks for being a kind-hearted friend. Bye.